All right, hello guys, this is Miss Shorter. I am just doing a quick check-in to make sure that everybody is able to find what they need and that they're getting their work done. So every day for my class, you should be logging into our course, which is Ninth Lit Comp Shorter 2019. Once you get there, you will see the overview, which has the lesson plan for today. You can absolutely access it this way. It goes by steps with what exactly you need to be doing. So step 1 is to read American Born Chinese, page 87 to 106. If you look down in the resources, you can click on the text link. It will bring up a link for you. You click on the link, and then you would go to page 86. And you can hit start reading, and then you can go to where you need to go. So figure that out and make sure that you're going to and reading the correct pages for that. You go back to the overview for the day. Step 2 is to read The Writing on the Wall by Camille Dungy on page 79 to 83. And it is located under the resources of the American Voices PDF. So if you click on the American Voices PDF, it will bring this up. And you can then just click on the page that you need. So I believe it was 76 or somewhere around there, not quite. All right, the writing on the wall is coming. So you would just read through the writing on the wall. It's a couple of pages, it's not too terribly long. And then you can go back to the overview. And step 3 is that you fill out the identity theme tracking chart. And you do one entry for the American Born Chinese text and one for the writing on the wall. So again, if you don't have this in front of you, which you should all have received a paper copy in class, you can grab it here and you can open it up in Google Drive. I would suggest at this point, because we're not sure exactly how long we're going to be out of school, that you make a copy of this for yourself. File, make a copy. You can name it your last name, so Shorter, American Voices, Identity Tracking, and save it to your personal drive. And then what I would suggest doing is actually just typing your entries. The ones you've already handwritten, you can go back and type up if you want, or you can scan those in however you feel most comfortable. But I think it would probably be helpful for you if you typed your entries. All right, so that is it for the lesson plan for today. So if you have read American Born Chinese, you have read The Writing on the Wall, and you have filled out an entry for American Born Chinese and one for Writing on the Wall, then you have completed your block day lesson. You'll notice that tomorrow is a catch-up day. That's for the whole county. We want to provide everybody the opportunity to get caught up on what they might have missed. So it says, please use today as a catch-up wellness day. You should be up to page 106 in American Born Chinese and have a total of 7 entries in your identity theme tracker. They include an entry for page 7 to 20, an entry for page 23 to 40, an entry for page 44 to 52, an entry for page 55 to 84, one for 87 to 106, one for fish cheeks, which we did in class last week, and one for the writing on the wall. So use tomorrow to make sure that you have done all of those and that you are caught up for next week. If you have questions, you can always email me through It's Learning. I'm here all day checking them. Don't forget about any missing assignments that you might need to catch up on in the grade book. I know some of you probably weren't happy with how your grades looked, and so this is a great time to catch up on those missing assignments and turn some of that in. You can email me assignments, you can share them with me in Google Drive and ask me to grade them. We've got plenty of time to work on all of that. So just please let me know what questions you have. I'm here to help you, and I want to make sure that you are not falling behind during this school closure. I hope everyone's staying safe. It's a beautiful day today, so go outside, enjoy nature, enjoy the sunshine and the warmth, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.